Hello everyone. Hi Virgo, it's Sai. This is the reading for you, January 2021 monthly reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see your messages. Virgo, it's Sai for 2021 January. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's see your reading, Virgo. I am seeing two persons coming towards you. One could be new and another could be past person. Okay, but you stand by your power. You are very grounded in energy wise. Definitely, you are concentrating on yourself. You are investing your energy on yourself because Queen of Wands. Yeah, I think the person you involved in this connection could be fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, I think in past things are okay between both of you, but some communication I think in past is okay, but what going right now, King of Swords, Six of Cups and Knight of Cups. I think someone new is also coming towards you. Knight of Cups energy, they have strong emotions for you. There is love definitely, Virgo. Yeah, but someone from past is also coming towards you and with an apology because the Page of Cups is here and they want reconciliation with you. I am seeing two persons. One is coming back with love and stability, and they are sincere because Knight of Pentacles is here. Yeah, they're coming back with stability and they're sincere this time and they have love for you. But another person, King of Cups, is here. Definitely this person is also love you, and this person also have strong emotions for you. I think one past person, one new person coming towards you. It's up to you which decision you have to make. Yeah, definitely you are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision, and you don't know which decision you have to make because there are two persons coming towards you in relationship wise. Yeah, there is a lot of energy regarding relationships because lot of cups. I think one person in this connection, you involved in this connection, could be also very strong personality. You both are very stubborn. You both are very strong couple, what I'm seeing here, because the Emperor is here and Queen of Wands. Energy could be vice versa, take what resonate. But you want clarity and you are very straightforward person and you are very honest person, Virgo, because King of Swords, it's you. Yeah, you're always there for your person when they want, but something happened between both of you, some disturbances, some fighting, then separation or no contact was happened, but now they're coming back with an apology, messages coming in your way, Page of Cups, and they're with sincere offer, and the new person is also very honest person. They also want to offer stability and they also have love for you. So it's up to you which decision you have to make. If you are not trusting your past person, I think you are going to be choose new person. For some you maybe accept the past person. It depends, okay, on your situation. Lot of water energies here. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Two persons coming towards you. It's a decision time for you, Virgo. So let's see the near future actions and their current feelings for you. First we will see their current feelings towards you, Virgo. You person current feelings. Okay, Three of Cups. Yeah, they want reconciliation. I think it could be your past person, what I'm seeing. I think King of Wands and Queen of Wands in this reading. I think I already told you both are strong couple and there is a lot of passion involved between both of you. Yeah, they're wishing for reconciliation. They want celebration with you. They're very, very passionate about you. Yeah, because Three of Cups is celebration. Yeah, if you are in separation, your person want reconciliation with you. And King of Wands, definitely there is a lot of passion and Nine of Cups. Yeah, wish fulfillment. Definitely there is your wishes are going to be granted. Your person is wishing for you and they want reconciliation with you. Yeah, their wishes are going to be granted, what I am seeing here. For some, you are going to be accept their offer, what I am seeing here, when they coming back. Yeah, because they this time your person is very sincere and an apology is also coming in your way. Page of Cups. For some children's also involved in this connection. Maybe you both have kids also, because Page of Cups is here. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Virgo, your person near future actions. Hierophant, Two of Swords, Ace of Wands. There is a lot of passion and your person want brand new beginnings with you and they're very passionate about you. And the Hierophant with Ace of Wands, definitely they want to commit to you, because the Hierophant is marriage card. Definitely marriage proposals. I think if you are in relationship, your person want to commit to you and they want to marry you. Definitely some marriages. I think your relationship is going to be upgraded if you are in relationship. Definitely they want to commit to you this time. They are very serious. Yeah, maybe they are at some crossroads. Your person also, Two of Swords. They're struggling between head over heart, what I'm seeing here, but they are going to be choose you. In that juggling, they are going to be choose you and they want to commit to you. Commitment is coming and they want reconciliation. So your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And yeah, Ace of Wands, new beginnings, passionate new beginnings between both of you. Your person want. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Virgo. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Lot of cards, that's why I'm not taking. Okay. Yeah, Queen of Cups. Wow, they really want to work on this relationship, guys. Yeah, your person has strong emotions for you. Definitely there is love and they want to work on this relationship and they want partnership with you, because Three of Pentacles. I think you also want partnership with your person. See, the Empress, you stand by your power. You are very grounded, Virgo. So it's up to you. You have to make decision, because two persons coming towards you. For some it could be only one person. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Yeah, Ace of Wands 2 times. I think you are going to give another chance to your person. For some, there is a lot of passion involved, lot of passionate new beginnings between both of you. Yeah, for some there will be reconciliation. I think you want to give another chance to your person. For some you want new person in your life with passionate new energy. So energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. It depends. For some you give second chance to your past person. For some you want new person. Okay, take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your overall energy for the month. Virgo, Queen of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Rebirth, Ten of Swords. For some you are fed up with this energy, you want to move on from this person. Yeah, painful endings for some. For some there will be rebirth in this connection. Queen of Cups, definitely you have strong emotions for your person. You are very caring person. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles, I think you are investing your energy on your career and finances. You are more abundant and you are more fine and you have financial stability. But you are juggling. Definitely you have to make some decision, because Two of Swords is there and Two of Pentacles. Yeah, you have to make decision. It's up to you. And your person is also, I think you both are at some crossroads. You both have to make decision, what I am seeing. But your person really want to work on this relationship, because Three of Pentacles is coming back to work on this relationship. They have strong emotion and apologies also coming in your way. But it's up to you totally. It's your life. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. See, Ace of Pentacles, the Moon, Seven of Cups, Strength. I think the person involved in this connection could be Leo. Definitely they are gaining the strength to come towards you. Yeah, they are fantasizing about you a lot. Seven of Cups. And the Moon. Definitely there are some disturbances between both of you guys. some illusions, but at end of the day, Ace of Pentacles, definitely they want to offer long term stability and long term commitment to this connection, because Ace of Pentacles, yeah, this time they're ready to offer long term stability. So it's up to you totally. It is in your hands. So the person you involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. So let's see some extra messages from Oracle deck. Virgo, your message. Lord of Feminine. Okay. A win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra. I think you will take some important decisions, and a win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra. I think in career wise you will get success when the full moon is in Libra. That is your season, what I am getting here, the viewers, Virgo. And definitely things are turning in a full moon in Libra. Definitely you are in some crossroads. You will make correct decision, what I am, because a win-win outcome is forecast. Let's pull another card. Surrender to the divine. For some, I think you are at some crossroads. You want to surrender to the divine, the situation. If you are not sure about what to do, what not to do, surrender to the divine. Okay? Full moon. So definitely you want, if you don't know which decision you have to make, I think for some you have to surrender this decision to the divine. So these are the messages for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. And click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.